It's this leather. We're only here for the leather. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Satin Shattered Backboard. The Air Jordan 1 Satin has had a couple of colorways released in the last couple of years. The first one to drop was the bread pair, that was 2016. And then last year in 2017, we had the Air Jordan 1 Satin Royal. Now, this is the third year of satin shoes to come out. Unfortunately, a lot of people are gonna be pissed off about this release because in addition to all the L's that you would have gotten trying to get a satin pair just by itself, the Satin Shattered Backboard is a women's exclusive release. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard black and red Nike box with the black box and the red Nike swooshes. And the color code is black, starfish, and sail. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe uses a combination of satin and leather for the upper, and anybody who knows anything about the original Shattered Backboard release from 2015 knows that the Shattered Backboard releases had the most buttery of butter leather, and it's a soft leather. It's not as soft as the Shattered Backboard. It reminds me of the Jordan 1 Shadow that released a couple of weeks ago. That is actually the closest comparison to leather. It's not, unfortunately, Shattered Backboard leather. Fortunately, that's not saying that it's not a soft leather, because the Jordan 1 Shadow had some pretty soft leather on it. The toe is a black toe with a satin starfish toe cap. Getting into the tongue, you have a satin tongue with the Nike logo and starfish with the white border around it. Also, you've got the black and starfish insole. The shoe has a pair of black laces, but it also comes with white laces as well. Moving towards the heel, you've got the leather sail base with a satin Nike swoosh and satin overlays for the black ankle collar. And the stitched Jordan brand logo is different from the standard Jordan brand logo, but it's standard for the Jordan 1 Satin. The quality on the ankle collar for the leather is solid. It's not Shattered Backboard, but like I said, the Shadow Jordan 1 was a solid built shoe. So I'm not disappointed by that by any stretch. On the heel, you've got the two satin overlays, along with the black leather ankle collar wrapping around. The medial is the same as the lateral, save for the Jordan brand wings logo on the ankle collar. So you've got the satin overlays, the sail base, the black satin swoosh, and also the overlays for the eyelets are leather. Also, the overlays right here are leather as well. Lastly, you've got the white rubber midsole and the starfish outsole. Overall, this is a solid shoe. I'm not a fan of any of the satin line though, because it's satin, which means that you can wear that for one day and have it completely be messed up, and you can't really clean it. That's basically the end of it. Like, it has a very short shelf life, and I was never a fan of the satin, using satin material. However, I am a fan of the Shattered Backboard colorway, which is one of the cleanest colorways to release in the last 5 years, brand new colorways. And of course, for those who don't know, that came from the random game that Michael Jordan played in the offseason. I believe it was 1984 in Italy, where he shattered the backboard, and the uniforms were black and orange. And they had the reverse shattered backboard, which wasn't as nice. It was basically all orange, but this color combination is dope. It is funny that they leapfrogged over so many OG colorways to give us this satin shattered backboard though. They leapfrogged over the Chicago colorway, they leapfrogged over the black toe, and you know, for them to just basically skip all of that and just go to the satin shattered backboard, I don't think it's fair to the other colorways, and I assume that they're probably gonna release them in the coming years. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
For you, that's all that I do.
Jordan 1 Satin Shattered Backboard hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 5th for a retail price of $160. As I said before, this is a women's exclusive release, so unless you are a size 10.5 in men's, which would be a size 12, you're just gonna have to take an L on this one. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.